What's up, everybody, and how are you doing today? You already know who you're with. It's your boy, Marketing with Dom, and I love marketing on all ends, and I've been in this niche for a while. This is the number one company, hands down, I've ever used for social media growth marketing for Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and for my Instagram business, and it is the reason why I became one of the top people in my niche. And I'm going to explain this to you because I've been holding it captive for a while. And if you really want to come check this out and see what they have, the link is down in my bio. You can go check. If you're in my course, the link is right below in a button. But let me explain something to you. Unlike every other platform that just uses AI and gets your page locked down and stuff like that, Goso does a very powerful network of using people as well as using AI. And if you want a proven method and a system that keeps on working, they are so powerful. And the biggest thing I use is right here, is hypergrowth for my Instagram, right? Here's the way that they look at the starting packages. And if you have any product that you're actually selling, I promise you, these guys are one of the best. They're going to be growing your page consistently every single month. And this is what they do for you. So if you have a business where you're making money and you're looking to get an agency out there, some of the best companies work with them. Playboy works with them. Bunch of ever. They're one of the best in the business. I used to resell their projects. And now I don't run and resell it anymore because the in-between time takes too much, which is going in between them because they have great what I call communication when it comes to them. They have a TikTok account where they're doing the basic follow, unfollow, kind of the same way that Instagram used to do it back in the day when it worked, right? When it mattered and you got to jump in it. They have LinkedIn here, which is super, super powerful, where they'll help grow your services as well. And they don't do any long-term contracts. And they start working immediately. They also have a free trial on that end. So I just wanted to show you who I use and what they do, how I've moved up to 12,000 subscribers in the last 3 months. And have profited over $4,000 to $5,000 from this. And you guys should definitely check it out. And this is by far the best social media platform out there for anybody. So you should use it. Best social media business out there for Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn. And for your business account. So you should definitely try it out. They do a free day, 7-day trial. The link is down below. I just wanted to make this really quick for them because they're amazing. I'll be going deeper into the understanding of how to use it across your platform. But this is just a brand that I truly believe in and I've used for over 6 years, which took both of my platforms over 10,000 to 20,000 and have continuously made sales for me in my business. And I just wanted to release this for you guys because I don't run the social media accounts anymore that does that. I used to run a social media business. I just stopped because they're getting expensive because they're the most powerful ones and regular people can't afford them. And that in between that profit margin of being in between them wasn't powerful. But I thought if I'd give them directly to you guys and give you guys a chance and me give affiliate points instead of actually trying to build a whole business between them, that they would grow, I would grow, and they'd make more money. So I hope you guys have a blessed day and you are go in there, do your research, look them up, click on the link, start an account, get your free trial in, and let me know what you think. But before you do that, make sure you go down below, subscribe, because you already know I'm giving the best tips out there for you to be making money online. Let's go.